Hello, hi, and welcome back to InTaiCon. We have a very special something for you today. We're going to unpack the newest Varjo XR in its Focal Edition, the newest VR headset out on the market. And before you ask, we did purchase it ourselves. So this is not a sponsored video, but instead our genuine reaction and unboxing just for you. So enjoy. And do leave your opinion down below in the comments. We're very eager to see. All right, let's open this one up. Okay, very black, minimalistic, and sleek. We love to see it. Okay, first things first, we've got the actual VR headset. All right, it's quite weighty in its size. More packaging. Safety first. And of course, the cable that comes with it. We've got a 5-meter long cable here, so we've got enough freedom and leeway to move about and around. So that's fantastic. Let's see what else we got in here. We've got the extra cables, which are essential. The remotes, again in the same sleek, modern design as the VR headset. I find these quite futuristic looking as well. More packaging for safety. This looks like it's the manual. Again, same design, sleek looking, can't do anything wrong with that. We've got an extra fiber cloth. Great add-on. Thank you. And this is quite interesting. We've got a humidity detector in here as well, so you can see exactly how much humidity the device has been exposed to once it arrives. Fantastic. And looks like this is the last thing in the box. What do we have here? Oh, adapters, so we can travel and not only use our headset in one limited area. Fantastic. Now we have here the empty box, and this is the layout. This is what we've got. Now let's take a closer look at the actual headset. The Varjo XR-4 in the very special Focal Edition. First thing you notice immediately and right off the bat is the adapter in the back. So you have these usually on every VR headset, but you don't have them on your forehead. And with this one you do, so you can adjust it both ways for a much more comfortable fit. So that is fantastic. And design wise, as I mentioned, it is quite weighty in its form, but also dynamic looking and quite futuristic. So quite impressive. Right. If you'd like to find out more about the Varjo XR-4 in its Focal Edition, please don't hesitate and click down below in our video where one of our developers is going to go into more detail and break it down and give you more specs. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you next time. Bye-bye.